Using a 16mm socket extension, I'm going to go ahead and remove these two upper bolts. Using an 18mm wrench and an 18mm socket, we're going to remove this lower bolt. And remove the shock. Go ahead and start one of these bolts by hand. Go ahead and thread that up a bit. Now what we're able to do is slide the shock up and in underneath that, and then install the other bolt. Just going to go ahead and snug these up into place. All right, we're now going to go ahead and remove this strap and let the shock extend down into place. All right, what we're going to have to do is lift up on the suspension so we can go ahead and line up the bolt and get that through. We're going to go ahead and use a jack here to raise the axle. As we do so, we'll be able to go ahead and line up the mount here. Go ahead and install the nut. I'm just going to go ahead and snug it down. Go ahead and lower the suspension. I'm going to go ahead and torque down this lower bolt to 65 foot-pounds. And I'll go ahead and torque these upper bolts to 37 foot-pounds. Do the same for this side.